Scotland, a land steeped in rich history and breathtaking landscapes, beckons travelers with its enchanting charm. From the rugged highlands to the serene lochs, this country offers a diverse tapestry of natural beauty and cultural heritage. With a history that dates back thousands of years, Scotland is home to ancient castles, historic battlefields, and vibrant cities that tell the tales of its past. As we embark on this journey to explore the best places to visit in Scotland, prepare to be captivated by its unique culture, warm hospitality, and stunning scenery. Imagine wandering through the cobbled streets of Edinburgh, where the majestic Edinburgh Castle overlooks the city, or standing in awe of the mystical Isle of Skye, known for its dramatic cliffs and picturesque landscapes. Each destination has its own story to tell, inviting you to delve deeper into Scotland's fascinating traditions and attractions. Join us as we uncover the must-see spots that make Scotland a truly unforgettable destination for every traveler. Edinburgh, the vibrant capital of Scotland, is a city where history and culture intertwine seamlessly. At its heart lies the iconic Edinburgh Castle, perched atop Castle Rock, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into Scotland's storied past. Just a stone's throw away is the Royal Mile, a bustling thoroughfare lined with charming shops, historic sites, and cozy pubs, making it a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. Edinburgh is also renowned for its festivals, most notably the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the world's largest arts festival. Each August, the city transforms into a hub of creativity, showcasing everything from theater and comedy to music and dance, attracting performers and visitors from around the globe. For those seeking stunning panoramic views, a hike up Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano, rewards adventurers with breathtaking vistas of the city and beyond. Similarly, Calton Hill offers a picturesque setting with its iconic monuments and sweeping views. Edinburgh truly captivates with its blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it an unforgettable destination. The Scottish Highlands are a realm of breathtaking landscapes that showcase nature's grandeur at its finest. With dramatic mountains, serene lochs, and lush glens, this region is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. The towering peaks of the Highlands, including the majestic Ben Nevis, the highest mountain in the UK, offer exhilarating hiking opportunities and stunning vistas that leave visitors in awe. One of the most famous lochs, Loch Ness, is not only known for its mythical monster but also for its stunning beauty and tranquil surroundings. Here you can enjoy boat tours or simply relax by the water's edge, soaking in the serene atmosphere. The Highlands are also a haven for wildlife watching, where you might spot red deer roaming the hills or golden eagles soaring overhead. Whether you're trekking through the rugged terrain or exploring the picturesque glens, the Highlands invite you to immerse yourself in their natural splendor. This enchanting landscape is a must-visit for anyone seeking adventure and tranquility in Scotland. The Isle of Skye, often described as a fairy tale destination, captivates visitors with its enchanting beauty and rugged coastline. This stunning island is dotted with picturesque villages, each offering a unique charm and a warm welcome. As you explore, you'll encounter breathtaking landscapes, from dramatic cliffs to tranquil beaches, making it a photographer's paradise. One of Skye's most iconic attractions is the Old Man of Storr, a towering rock formation that provides a rewarding hike and panoramic views of the surrounding scenery. Another must-see is the Fairy Pools, a series of crystal-clear blue pools nestled at the foot of the Black Cuillin Mountains, perfect for a refreshing dip or a leisurely stroll. Skye is also rich in Gaelic culture, with traditional music and storytelling deeply rooted in its heritage. Don't miss the chance to savor local cuisine, featuring fresh seafood and hearty dishes that reflect the island's natural bounty. The Isle of Skye is a magical destination that promises unforgettable experiences and a connection to Scotland's rich cultural tapestry. Welcome to Glasgow, a vibrant city that pulses with creativity and cultural energy. Known for its thriving art scene, Glasgow is home to the renowned Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum, where visitors can admire an impressive collection of artworks ranging from the Renaissance to contemporary pieces. This iconic venue not only showcases art but also hosts various exhibitions and events, making it a must-visit for art enthusiasts. The city's music and nightlife culture is equally lively, with a plethora of venues offering everything from traditional Scottish folk music to modern indie bands. Whether you're enjoying a night out at a local pub or dancing the night away at a club, Glasgow's nightlife promises unforgettable experiences. Adding to the city's charm is the architectural beauty of the Glasgow Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture that dates back to the 12th century. Its intricate details and rich history make it a significant landmark worth exploring. Glasgow is a cultural hub that invites you to immerse yourself in its artistic, musical, and architectural wonders. Stirling, often regarded as a historical gem, plays a pivotal role in Scotland's rich heritage. The city is perhaps best known for the Battle of Stirling Bridge, a significant conflict in 1297 during the Wars of Scottish Independence. Led by the legendary William Wallace, this battle marked a turning point in Scotland's fight for freedom, showcasing the bravery and determination of its people. At the heart of Stirling stands the magnificent Stirling Castle, a stunning example of medieval architecture that has witnessed centuries of Scottish history. With its imposing walls and beautifully landscaped gardens, the castle offers visitors a glimpse into royal life and the strategic importance of this site throughout the ages. Another iconic landmark is the Wallace Monument, a towering tribute to the Scottish hero William Wallace. This impressive structure not only honors his legacy, but also provides breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Stirling invites you to explore its historical significance, where every corner tells a story of courage, resilience, and national pride. The Orkney Islands offer a captivating journey into ancient history and stunning natural beauty. Renowned for their archaeological significance, these islands are home to remarkable sites like Skara Brae, a prehistoric village that dates back over 5,000 years. This well-preserved settlement provides a fascinating glimpse into the lives of our ancestors. Nearby, Maeshowe stands as one of the finest examples of Neolithic chambered cairns, showcasing intricate stone carvings that tell stories of the past. Beyond their historical treasures, the Orkney Islands boast unique wildlife and breathtaking coastal scenery. From puffins and seals to the dramatic cliffs and sandy beaches, nature enthusiasts will find plenty to admire. The island's rugged landscapes create a picturesque backdrop for outdoor adventures, whether hiking along the coast or exploring hidden coves. Local traditions thrive in Orkney, with a vibrant community spirit that celebrates its rich heritage through music, crafts, and festivals. Visitors are welcomed with warmth and hospitality, making the Orkney Islands a truly enchanting destination that feels like a step back in time. In this video, we've taken you on a journey through the diverse attractions that Scotland has to offer, showcasing everything from the vibrant cities to the breathtaking natural landscapes. We explored the historic charm of Edinburgh, the rugged beauty of the Highlands, the enchanting Isle of Skye, and the cultural richness of Glasgow. Each destination presents its own unique experiences, whether it's the ancient history of Stirling or the captivating wildlife of the Orkney Islands. We encourage you to explore these remarkable places for yourself and immerse yourself in Scotland's rich culture and stunning scenery. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or a lover of the arts, Scotland has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this exploration of Scotland, please consider subscribing to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to discover the beauty of Scotland. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.